Dear students, now we are going to see the density of a particular unit cell. How to calculate density? Density of the unit cell rho is equal to mass of the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. We know density is nothing but mass by volume, and therefore density of the unit cell is equal to mass of the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Usually mass is expressed in gram and volume, here in the case of solid state we use centimeter cube. Therefore the unit will be gram per centimeter cube. Nothing wrong in giving gram per meter cube, kilogram per meter cube, etc. So gram per centimeter cube, volume in centimeter cube, gram divided by centimeter cube means unit will be gram per centimeter cube. Now how to volume of unit cell? It is very simple, because a particular unit cell is made of the edge length A, and therefore volume of the unit cell is A cube. All right, but mass we have to find out. Calculating volume is not a difficult thing, it is just A cube. And what about mass of the unit cell? Different unit cells, for example, simple cubic unit cell has how many atoms per unit cell? It is only one. So number of atoms in SC is equal to 1. Number of atoms in BCC, in a particular unit cell of BCC, 2. Number of atoms in the unit cell of FCC is equal to 4. That we know already, that we should know. Always we have to remember this. Because the contribution of 8 corner atoms in SC, 1/8 into 8, 1. In the case of BCC, along with corner atoms, 1 atom at the center, contribution by middle center atom 1, 8 into 1/8, 1, so 2. In the case of face-centered atoms, there are 6 faces for the cube. All the 6 faces contribute 1/2 to a particular unit cell. Therefore 6 into 1/2, 3. 3 plus 8 corner atoms, 1 into 1/8, 1, therefore 4. That we know already. Now when we calculate mass of the unit cell, we have to calculate number of atoms present in the unit cell into mass of a particular atom. How to get mass of an atom? Mass of an atom is equal to molar mass or molecular mass divided by Avogadro number. Because of molar mass is nothing but gram per mole, and it is nothing but Avogadro number is nothing but number of atoms per mole. So which will give mass per atom. Molar mass is for 1 mole. 1 mole contains Avogadro number. Avogadro number means 6.022 into 10 power 23. That many atoms are present in 1 mole. So molecular mass corresponds to the mass of Avogadro number of atoms. We calculate mass of 1 atom. So M, molecular mass M divided by Avogadro number Na. All right. This will give mass of 1 atom. The unit may be gram per atom. Suppose if we have n atoms, it may be 1, 2 or 4. SC means 1, BCC means 2, FCC means 4. N can be 1, n can be 2, n can be 4. So it has to be multiplied by n to get mass of the unit cell, or mass of all the atoms present in the unit cell is nothing but n into m by Na. That is mass of the unit cell, or mass of all the atoms present in the unit cell. When it is divided by volume of the unit cell, volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. How? It is cube, length, height, breadth, everything A, and therefore volume will give A cube. So when mass of the unit cell is divided by volume of the unit cell, mass of the unit cell in gram, because gram per atom into atom will give gram, so mass of the atom, the unit will be in gram. Volume of the unit cell, unit may be in centimeter cube, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. Therefore, the unit will be gram per centimeter cube. So, which is equal to n into m divided by Na, that has to be divided by A3, that is volume of the unit cell, edge length, that will give density unit gram per centimeter cube. All right. A capital A can also be used. So that is about density of the unit cell. Density of the unit cell rho is equal to n into m divided by Na into A cube. What is n then? Number of atoms in a particular unit cell, molecular mass, Avogadro number, A edge length, that will give density. Now, based upon this formula, let us try to calculate few sums. All right. Let me go into sums. It is a worked example given in the book. Let us go into that. Barium has a body-centered cubic unit cell, BCC. Barium is in BCC. The edge length is given as, edge length means A. A is given as 508 picometer. What is the density of barium in gram per centimeter cube? All right. The molecular mass of barium is 137.3 gram per mole. 137.3 gram per mole. All right. Now, how to do the calculation? One important thing in the problems under density, usually length will be given in picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter. If it is in centimeter, it has to be multiplied by 100 because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 10 power minus meter. If it is 508 picometer, it corresponds to 508 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. If we move 2 decimal points here, usually the number is expressed with 1 decimal point, therefore 5.08. Here we have divided by 100, it has to be multiplied by 100, therefore 10 power minus 8 centimeter. A is equal to this much. Now, density is asked, rho is equal to n. What is the value of n? For BCC, it is 2. Molar mass 137.3 gram per mole. It is for 1 mole, has to be calculated for 1 atom, therefore 6.022 into 10 power 23. What is the value of A? 5.08 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter whole cube. Centimeter cube. It is gram. Gram per mole will become gram. Why gram? We have calculated gram per atom. Here 2 atom, therefore atom can cancel, gram per centimeter cube will be the answer. So if you do the calculation, The answer will be 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. Centimeter at the denominator when it goes up to the power minus 3. Calculation part you can do. So let me go into yet another sum based on density. It is given in evaluate yourself. Since it is given in evaluate yourself, you may do yourself, but anyhow, let us try in what way it is given and what is the method to solve we can see. An element has a face-centered cubic unit cell FCC. Therefore, n is equal to 4. All right. Then, with a length means edge length only. A is equal to 352.4 picometer. Picometer is equal to 352.4 into 10 power minus 12 meter, which is equal to 352.4 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter, which is equal to 3.52 into 10 power 24 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Just to know I have given these many conversions, directly you can do that. All right. Then density is given. Here density is given. This part is given. All right. Which is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 100 gram of the element? Number of atoms in 100 gram is asked. All right. So what are the terms given? Rho is given. N we know. Molar mass we have to calculate, then only we can find out number of atoms. Avogadro number we know, edge length we know. Knowing all these things, m can be calculated. So m is equal to rho into Na into a cube divided by n. So rho is equal to, m is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube into 6.2 into 10 power 23 into edge length. What is the edge length? 3.524 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube centimeter cube divided by n 4. Therefore, since it is multiplied by Avogadro number, you will get the answer in gram per mole. How? It is number of atoms. It is number of atoms per mole. So if we cancel out the units, at least atom get cancelled. Centimeter cube and centimeter to the power minus 3 get cancelled. You will get the answer in gram per mole, that is molar mass. The answer is 58.6 gram per mole. Calculation part I am not dealing. If you are interested in doing so, I will be doing next time. Then molar mass was calculated, and then the question is number of atoms in 100 gram. 58.6 gram means 1 mole. All right. These many grams means how many mole? And in that many moles, how many atoms are present? 1 mole means 6.022 in 10 power 23 atoms. For these many moles that we are going to calculate how many atoms. That's what we are going to do. How? Molar mass this much, mass this much. Number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. So number of atoms is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Because it is 1 mole, this is equal to how many moles? 100 by 58.6 gram per mole. So unit also I have substituted just to make you to understand how it comes. 58.5. So it comes to 1.7 mole. Gram get cancelled, 1 mole go to the top, mole. 1.7 mole. Number of atoms in 1 mole, this much. Number of atoms, this much. That's all. So number of atoms in sorry, number of moles. Here we have calculated number of moles. Mass by molar mass will give number of moles, and number of atoms is equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. That will give the answer. So it comes to 1.023 into 10 power 24 atoms. This is how we calculate number of atoms using density. Then similar problems only, and those problems are solved, and unsolved problem density. I think based upon this we can calculate other sums also. One different type of sum is also asked. Let me go into that. An element let me write the question and let me try to solve this. With that we can complete the density part of solid state. All right. An element crystallizes in BCC. All right. An element crystallizes in BCC lattice with the edge length of, that means A is equal to 1.469 in 10 power minus 10 picometer. Sorry, minus 10 meter. Density of the element is equal to 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. All right. The question is, calculate the atomic mass. Of course, we can calculate atomic mass. What else they have asked is atomic radius is also asked. Atomic radius part comes under packing efficiency. All right. So that part is also included here along with atomic mass. What is the formula for density? Density rho is equal to number of atoms into molar mass divided by Avogadro number into A cube. Rho is given, A is given, Na we know, number of atoms in BCC we know, molecular mass nothing but atomic mass, because in this unit cell atoms are packed. Now M is equal to, how to get M? M is equal to rho into Na A cube divided by N. Just like previous sum. Rho is equal to 19.3 gram per centimeter cube into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Edge length 1.469 into 10 power minus 10 meter. If it is converted into centimeter, 1.469 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, minus 8 centimeter whole cube, because A cube divided by number of atoms in BCC is 2. So the value comes to molecular mass and atomic mass same. If the unit cell is packed with atoms, we call it as atomic mass. That's all. So the answer comes to 18.42 gram per mole. Right? The atomic mass of the element is 18.42 gram per mole. Then they have asked atomic radius. For body centered cubic lattice, the relationship between radius and A we have calculated like this. One atom here, one atom here, one atom at the body, one atom here. The diagonal is drawn like this. This is how we made. And therefore 4R, 1, 2, 3, 4R. 4R is equal to, we have calculated, what we have calculated earlier was, for BCC R is equal to root 3 by 4A. That you may be knowing. For simple cubic, for body centered cubic, for face centered cubic, we have calculated. So r is equal to root 3 by 4a. Radius is asked, r is asked, a is given. You can calculate. So r is equal to root 3 by 4a. A is 1.469 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Do the calculation. You will be getting the answer. The answer comes to 6.36 into 10 power minus 11 meter. If it is 10 power minus 10 meter, it will be in meters. So if it is substituted in meter, you will be getting the answer in meter. So that is about calculation in terms of BCC. For FCC, you may be knowing r is equal to a 2 by root 2. It is for FCC. It is for BCC. For simple cubic, r is equal to a by 2. Because in the simple cubic, it is like this. It will be touching each other, and therefore 1, 2. 2r is equal to a. Therefore, r is equal to a by 2. For SCC, it is the case. For FCC, this is the case. Based upon this, problems can be asked. By giving edge length, you may be asked to find out r. You have to, for SC, FCC and BCC, you should know the r values. How they are related, you should know. If you know, you can calculate any sum. Thank you.